Morning, travellers.
Happy birthday to you.
My wife has something special planned for this weekend. Something secret, but I do need to know where we're going. So where am I heading to?
We're going to Red Hill.
Red Hill? Where are we staying?
On a boat.
On a boat?
Yep.
Red Hill isn't anywhere near the ocean or a lake.
It's a very special boat.
I guess we'll see. Red Hill is surprisingly quick to get to, being just over an hour's drive from the city via Melbourne's eastern suburbs freeway and tollway networks.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed.
It's a boat.
Yep, it's definitely a boat.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday, Michael.
It's going to be some action. Hope I don't get seasick.
In you go.
This is pretty silly, isn't it? Watch your head. And move your shoes. Wow, it smells like a boat. Happy birthday.
Oh my god! Oh, that's the shower.
And the toilet. I think they call it the head. I certainly don't want to be too tall.
No. I'm like gobsmacked myself. I'm like going, it's the 1940s. This is incredible.
Isn't it? Welcome aboard action.
Oh my god. I know it's your birthday, but isn't it fun?
There's your mirror.
Yeah, there is a mirror. There's another one well lit too.
Virtual, the network for news, takes you now to London, England for Radio Newsreel, one of the world's outstanding documentary news programs presented through the cooperation of British Broadcasting Corporation. Material heard during these reports is gathered, prepared, and presented by the foreign and domestic staffs of the BBC. We invite you to join us now for Radio Newsreel. Go ahead, London.
This is London calling. We bring you the voices and stories of the men and women who make the news of a world at war.
It's crazy. It's like a Disneyland ride that you can stay on for grown-ups, no kids. It's starting to rain. Tonight, we're having dinner in the galley. Join us.
That I love you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Just going to chill for the rest of the night. We've got the fireplace going in the corner. We've got Netflix up on the TV. Cheesecake, giant strawberries.
Some wine, some blankets.
Happy birthday to me.
That I love you.
The Mornington Peninsula is located to the southeast of Melbourne. It's a notable Victorian wine region producing high-quality, cool climate wines from around 60 local wineries. Mornington Peninsula is very famous for having a plethora of wineries. So we've just picked one random one as we were driving past, and we'll go and check it out.
Always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in
really great. I even got some takeaway. Next.
We're at Mont Rouge Estate.
Right.
Number one place to visit according to TripAdvisor if you're in Red Hill. So they're known for their wine, their chocolate, and their coffee, and I think ice cream. Chocolate.
It's a caramel cluster, we call that, and it's made out of ice cream cones crushed up.
Oh,
Very different, delicious. And that's a honey fudge and milk chocolate.
Well, it was good. I feel satisfied and satiated. It's a beautiful place. Beautiful food, beautiful wine, beautiful ice cream.
and chocolate.
And chocolate. One-stop shop in Red Hill.
Mont Rouge.
This is how we did it in the olden days, kids. I'll be the captain. Gee, this doesn't fit my head.
Oh,
I'm not going to put that in my mouth.
no. It's probably too big for me. It goes like that, doesn't it? That doesn't it?
First mate.
Yeah.
Well, this was a lot of fun. We should get out of here. I'll just start the motor. Engine. Put it in gear and be on our way.
It's shaking.
Because the motor's running.
Alright.
We're in the ocean.
Oh well, hope I don't get seasick then.
The end of our weekend.
That was so fast. I would highly recommend this to anyone. They just want to unleash their inner kid. It's just amazing. And I've never stayed at an Airbnb like this. They've really taken great care with it and also selecting all the pieces. Wherever you look, there's something to see. So I found the first couple of hours, I was just constantly noticing little things. You know, it's so cozy too. I thought it was so comfortable.
Sorry, just me.
Oh, it was really good fun. I think you enjoyed it too, sir, didn't you? It was
It is. It was good fun. It's like a museum that you can live in. And I'm quite surprised about Red Hill and the area. I didn't know much about Red Hill other than there was a few wineries here, but there's hundreds of wineries here and a really great place to stay. We'll definitely be back for Red Hill Part 2. So that's it for this episode. Make sure you hit the like button, comment down below. Would you stay on a boat?
on land.
Don't forget to hit subscribe. Next time we'll be in Victoria. See you there.